Power. Press the power button to turn the washing machine on. Program norm. Programs are available according to the laundry type. The lamp will light up to indicate selected program. Display. The display shows the settings, estimated time remaining, options, and status messages. When the product is turned on, the default settings in the display will illuminate. Options. This program will help you to select an additional program and will light when selected. Use the buttons to select the desired program options for the selected cycle. Asterisk indicates the extra function. To start extra function, hold for 3 seconds. Temperature and spin. Press Temp button to change the temperature allowed by the selected program. Press Spin button to change the spin speed. Start Pause button. Press the Start Pause button to start or pause the wash cycle. If a temporary stop during wash cycle needed, press the Start Pause button. AI. AI provides the desired washing and spinning. AI is activated when cotton, mixed fabric, and easy care programs are selected. Indication.